Hey, Hofstra summer camps, how are you? We're gonna do a little experiment right now. Samara and Julian are ready to go. We have some M&Ms, and we're gonna start laying the M&Ms around. Go ahead, put the
And
M&Ms.
some water. Well, after we don't.
Let's see what happens.
On top of it. Do you want to help me? Get them close together. You can't do all greens, okay? You need to do some different colors. Orange, green, brown, red, blue, orange. What about that? There. Brown. Come on, get off my finger. Green. Orange. We're running out. Red. Yellow. Jules, you need to put them close. Green. Red. If there's extra, can we eat them?
Sure.
Go back.
You can work on your colors. You can work on your patience. Good job, guys. You guys are doing a great job. Looks good.
Oh, now the
Well, we're almost
double
there.
greens.
Keep on filling the plate. Let's see what
Don't
happens.
do the blue so we can eat the blue. Well, only if there is. Oh no.
Oh, we're almost there. You're doing a good job.
doing the one of it. Oh, I hope we don't need to do the blue.
All right.
Yeah, we don't need to do the blue. Yay. Now I can eat the blue.
All right, let's hold on right there. Hold it right there. Okay, one second. I'm gonna get the water now. Let's see what's gonna happen.
I'm so sad.
There you go.
Oh, that's very high. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah.
Oh, let's see. Now let's watch what
Oh,
happens.
that's so cool. Yeah, it's like the same of the fiddles. It's the same as the fiddles, right?
It's creating a rainbow of colors. It's
So
pretty cool. And slowly I'm watching them all turn.
Maybe a little more water.
They turn into colors. Was that fun, guys?
Yeah.
All right. Hope you guys are all having a good time at home.
Let's
Bye.
take them out.